Pour it on a newspaper and leave it in the bathroom. Silverfish will disappear overnight. With this simple trick, you can get rid of them for good. Use this trap regularly, and you won't see silverfish again. If you've tried different methods without success, it's time for a simple solution. These pests are a nightmare in many homes, especially in apartment buildings. They move between rooms through tiny cracks and are most commonly found in bathrooms. That's why keeping your bathroom clean and dry is crucial. Silverfish thrive in darkness, making bathrooms the perfect environment for them. While they don't bite or spread diseases, they can damage carpets, furniture, and even wallpaper if they spread beyond the bathroom. They feed on starches and carbohydrates, love simple sugars, and can even digest cellulose. This is why they're attracted to toilet paper stored in bathrooms. Tiny shreds of it are enough to keep them alive. While sprays can repel them, a homemade trap is much easier. Take a newspaper and pour honey on it. Silverfish won't resist this treat. The sticky honey will trap them, making it impossible for them to escape. For even better results, dampen the entire newspaper before adding the honey. Silverfish love moisture, and this will make the trap even more effective. Just remember to keep the bathroom clean so that the honey-covered paper is their only food option. Use this trap regularly, and you'll never see silverfish again. Soak cotton pads and place them under the bathroom trash can. Silverfish will leave your bathroom for good, without using poisons or traps. Silverfish are insects that dislike light and feed mainly at night. They don't bite or carry any diseases, so they're not a health threat to humans. However, many people still find them unpleasant. Don't leave damp towels on the bathroom floor, as moisture is something silverfish love. That's why you should also always leave the door slightly open after a bath or shower. Silverfish avoid citrus scents and also dislike the smell of cinnamon or rosemary. Lavender repels them too. But you don't need to use these products all around your bathroom. Take a few cotton pads from the container and prepare some essential oils. Simply soak a cotton pad with your chosen oil. Rosemary or lavender work well, and then place it under the bathroom trash can. The scent of the oils will keep silverfish away. You can also leave a pad near the washing machine. If you add essential oils to warm water in a bucket and wash the bathroom floor tiles with it, the effect will be even better. This will discourage silverfish from visiting your bathroom. Dip a twig in it and spray the bathroom. The silverfish will disappear as if by magic wand after just one night. It's a home remedy for small bugs that appear out of nowhere in the bathroom. These insects don't have wings. You can most often find them in the bathroom, especially at night. They feed on scraps left in bathrooms. It's moist enough there for them to live and reproduce. Silverfish aren't harmful, they don't bite, and they don't carry any diseases. However, they're not welcome and disgust many people, but you don't have to buy expensive and toxic silverfish killers. Just make a homemade spray to get rid of these bugs from the bathroom once and for all. The corners and nooks sprayed with it will be an impassable barrier. Such a spray will repel them. They won't show up in the bathroom anymore. Pour vinegar into a pot and heat it. Most insects can't stand the smell of vinegar. They avoid it like the plague. Put a sprig of rosemary in the vinegar. The scent of rosemary repels insects. It also works on silverfish. Add a few drops of lavender oil to the mixture. Such a remedy won't kill the silverfish, but it will effectively repel them. It's completely safe. You can also use it in the kitchen. Its scent will dissipate. So use such a spray every few days. You'll quickly get rid of the silverfish. I've never gotten rid of ants so quickly. I scared them away simply, and they haven't returned. When ants get too close to your home, garden, or your child's sandbox, you just need to spray a homemade solution. It's 100% effective. If you have ants in the sandbox, this will also deter cats that often use the sandbox as a litter box. Start by preparing a bowl of water. Add a few teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Ants hate the smell of this spice. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon and add it to the cinnamon water. This is another scent ants dislike. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Add a few teaspoons of them. Coffee grounds are one of the best products for repelling ants. Finally, add a few drops of mild soap or dishwashing liquid. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours. Then strain the mixture. Pour it into a spray bottle. Now, you just need to spray the areas where you see ants. You can spray the soil around plants, benches, or the sandbox. Also, secure the entrance to the terrace. This method isn't harmful to ants or other insects, but it is effective. The ants will simply relocate to another place. Just 1 hour is enough to get rid of ants. This trick will make ants flee, allowing you to eliminate an entire ant colony without using harmful chemicals. Let me show you how it's done. Take a lemon, which is the key ingredient for this trick. Also, gather some matches, which are the second most important component. Remove the matches from the box and stick them into the lemon, wooden side down. You should use quite a few matches. Your lemon is now ready to use. Simply place it on the ant mound or in a spot where ants frequently appear. You'll start seeing results in just a few minutes and the final effect within an hour. During this time, the matches will absorb the lemon juice, causing the sulfur to dissolve and seep into the lemon. This combination repels ants because the substances in the lemon peel are toxic to them, and the sulfur enhances the effect. The ants will disappear quickly. There's no need to reach for chemical insecticides right away. Homemade remedies can be quite effective. Here's an American trick for ants, and it works fast. If you want to get rid of them from your garden or home, this simple and budget-friendly mixture is all you need. Grab an empty plastic bottle and cut off the bottom to create a shallow container. It shouldn't be too deep. Using a soldering iron or something similar, poke a few small holes around the lower part of the bottle. This step is important, so pay attention. Ants are a common issue, especially in spring and summer. In the garden, they can cause a lot of damage. Now for the key ingredients. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in ants' bodies and disrupts their digestion. Add 5 teaspoons of baking soda into the bottle. Next, the bait. Powdered sugar attracts ants with its strong, sweet scent. Add 5 teaspoons of powdered sugar to the mix. Pour in a little water and stir until it forms a pourable paste. Thanks to the holes, ants will easily find their way in. Place the trap where you see them most often. You can also pour a bit of the mixture next to the bottle. Watch how quickly it draws them in. It's an effective way to get rid of ants for good. It only takes 10 minutes to get rid of ants. This trick will make the ants run away. You can eliminate an entire anthill without using harmful substances. I'll show you how to do it. Take a lemon, which is the main ingredient of our trick. Also, prepare some cloves. They are the second most important ingredient. Cloves are a very effective natural ant repellent because insects dislike their strong scent. Take the cloves and start sticking them into the lemon. There should be quite a few cloves. This lemon is now ready to use. Simply place it on the anthill. You can also place it where ants often appear. You'll see the first effects within a few minutes. Cloves combined with natural repellents like lemon create a strong deterrent effect. The ants will disappear quickly. There's no need to resort to chemical insecticides right away. It's worth using homemade remedies.